more intense an exercise is, the more calories it burns. And jumping rope is one heck of a high-intensity workout, that much is true. In fact, you'd need to run an 8-minute mile to surpass the number of calories burned by jumping rope. Number 2, your coordination improves. How many times did the rope catch on your feet and stop you in your tracks? Times like this are very frustrating, we know. But if you're thinking of skipping rope every single day, then eventually your coordination and motor skills will improve. This benefit of